Hi, my name is Michael Bauer, and this is my video on how to use the learning management system called Versal. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Versal.com website and create an account. After you do that, you'll come to a page like this, and you want to hit Create New. When you hit that, the course title pops up. So you're going to give it a course title. Let's call this one Example. And you'll hit Create New Course, and it's going to load your web page. Okay, here's the page you come to. The first thing you'll notice on the left here, this is the name of your class. Over here are your lessons. So the first one is called an untitled lesson. We can change that. Let's just call this one lesson number 1. If you want to add a lesson, you just hit the Add Lesson button, and another one pops up. So let's call this one Lesson 2. Okay, and let's go back to Lesson 1. It says, to begin, grab a gadget and drag it onto the canvas. So down here at the bottom are our gadgets. So if we click on Core, those are the core gadgets, the main gadgets that you want to use. The very first one is called Section Header. So you just click on it, drag it up here. This is going to help you easily navigate your lesson. There's just we can call this one. Let's call this one Section 1. And when you do that, you'll see it pops up over here below lesson number 1. If we put another section in, we'll call this one Section 2. And it's really going to allow, when you have a lot of material on your lesson here, it's going to allow people to easily go through the material, so they don't have to scroll down through everything. The next thing is a text. So let's say in Section 1 you want to put some notes. You just click the text and drag it up in there, and you can start typing your notes right in there. Okay, if you're done, when you drag over one of the gadgets, you'll see these different options. If you click on this top one, this allows you to cut or copy the section to be pasted somewhere else. This one allows you to click and drag. Say you want to move your text, your notes from Section 1 to Section 2, you click and drag it there. Let's put it back into Section 1. The eye tells you what type of tool it was. And then the trash can here deletes the gadget. So let's go ahead. Let's show you how to delete that there. Okay. There are a whole bunch of other gadgets you can use. Here's an image one. If you throw an image in there, you can upload an image from your computer. We won't do that. Let's go ahead and look back at the other gadgets. There's a video. You can add a video from YouTube. You just have to have the link. If we say we want to put a video in Section 2, you would type in, you copy and paste your link to your YouTube video right here, and you use that file and it pops right up there. You can also, one thing's really cool, you can add a quiz. And when you add the quiz, if you look on the left here, you can block the next lesson until your students pass the quiz. So that's really cool. You just click that, and then they can't go on to lesson number 2 until they've passed this little quiz. The quiz allows you to customize the questions and the answers, obviously, and you can add more questions, but we're not going to do that anymore. Okay. You can add the maps are really cool. You can put in a map. You can pinpoint locations on the map. You can use a slideshow. This is sort of like a real simple version of a PowerPoint you can put in to your lesson. And then this expression I think would be really cool for math teachers to put that in there. There's also timeline, which might be very useful for history teachers. Let's look at some different gadgets here. You can, if you have a Prezi, you can embed a Prezi into your lesson. If you just click and drag this into there, you can embed your Prezi. There's also, if you want to embed a Word or PowerPoint document, you can click this Microsoft OneDrive, and then you'll upload your PowerPoint or Word, whatever you want to upload. There's a whole bunch of other gadgets here you can put in. And the last set of gadgets here is the lab gadgets. And these are really cool. These are a little more specific. Like this one. This one is for an anatomy teacher. You can show you what this looks like. You can put this in, and it comes up with a skeleton. You can customize what parts you want on it, what parts you want highlighted. Throat there. It highlights that guy's throat. It's kind of cool. There's other ones. Let's delete that gadget. There are other ones, like I thought this chess one was really cool. You can have a little chess game embedded into your lesson. I'm not sure. Really probably couldn't relate that to my subject area, but somebody else might be able to. And then there's a whole bunch of other ones here, like vectors, for example, that might be useful in physics. And that's about it for the gadgets. The course gadgets, it keeps track of what gadgets you've used for this course so far. Let's scroll down here, and when you're done with all of them, let's say we finished lesson 2, we're done with this class, you just hit finish, and it'll take you to this page where you can publish the course. You can view it from a student's perspective. You can edit the course, and then you can also share it. So that's just a real basic tutorial of how to use Versal. Thanks for watching.